Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for you to see what is in store for today, but before we do that, I'd like to ask you to please subscribe to my channel before you leave, and let's get started. So today, I'm going to be using the Morphe Eyeshadow Palette. That's just for my hot hands. So this is what it looks like on the inside with the shade names. And I'll take that off so it's not so shiny. And this is what she looks like on the inside. So excited to play with this. I've messed with it like once for a little bit just to see like what, you know, some of the shades look like and stuff like that, but I haven't really dabbled in it too hard. But basically with this eyeshadow palette, you're supposed to not use like concealer as your base. You're supposed to use like an actual eyeshadow base because some of the eyeshadows in it are pressed pigments versus being just regular eyeshadows. So I just use my AOA Studio Perfect Eyeshadow Primer to prime my lids before using this. But basically what I was going to try to do was like maybe a like rainbowy eye on one side and like a more like neutral look on the other side because there are neutral colors and I don't want you guys to be like, oh my gosh, I don't want to get that palette because there's too many colors in it. So I'll try to do like a more natural look also along with like a rainbowy look. And then if you guys would like, I can definitely do another video with this palette, just do like multiple looks. So if you guys want to see that, definitely let me know. But yeah, so if there was like specific colors you wanted me to use or specific style of looks, or you guys can send me ideas. And I was thinking about also recreating some of the campaign looks or like coming up with my own like Unleash Your Inner Artist kind of looks. So definitely let me know if you guys want to see that. So let's just get right into it. I don't all the names are like on this, so it's going to be hard for me to like kind of judge which is what names. So I'm just going to kind of like hold it up and point at the color. So I'm actually going to start off with this green shade right here. And I'm just gonna put this right here on the inner part of my eye. So he told everybody whenever he released the palette that it'd be easier with the pressed pigments to press them in versus like sweeping them like you normally would sweep an eyeshadow like back and forth. So I'm not really sure exactly which ones are pressed pigments and which ones aren't. So I'm just gonna pack like all the eyeshadows on today. And after he said that you could like sweep them after you pack them on. Next, I think I'm going to go in with this purple shade right here and just pack that on right next to the green. Don't worry, I will blend these shadows together, but not too much, just enough to make them not look like too harsh. I know I look a little crazy right now, but bear with me, loves. So now I want to go in with this really hot pink right here and put this one right by the purple. Now I want to go in with this yellow shade right here, put that next to the pink. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with this orange shade right here and possibly mix it with this one, depending on how light that orange is, just to make sure that it's pigmented enough. I'm not really sure, I haven't went in with that color yet. And just see what happens. Oh yeah, it's good enough by itself. So now I'm gonna go in with this blue right here. And last, I'm going to go in with this red. I'm gonna go in with this red right here. Oh yeah, she cute. So I'm gonna blend the top and blend all these together to make it a little less of a harsh line. So I know this may not be like a super wearable look, but I still thought that it would be a fun look to do. Unleash your inner artist. So now I'm going to take this tan color right here for the other side for the more natural look. And I'm just gonna put that in the crease. And just blend it out a lot and kind of put it all over the lid also. I want to make this like a super simple look. If you wanted, you could just leave it at the one eyeshadow, but if you wanted to deepen the crease a little bit just so there's some dimension, I'm going to use this brown right here. Put that in the crease a little bit just to make it a little darker than the lid. And of course you could stop there, or you can keep building up the browns or neutral colors, whatever you want to say. So now I'm going to go in with this more like skin tone shade right here. Skin tone for me at least. And I'm going to use that to buff the edges at the top here. So of course you could do some colors in the lower lash line. You could add some lashes, liner, foundation, all that junk. But I'm pretty much just going to stop here just to make it simple. Like I said, if you guys want me to do more videos with this palette, definitely let me know. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any video suggestions, please comment them down below and check the description box for more information about the video on my Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at GlamGirlGray. See you next time.